Snowstorm is coming. Snowstorm is coming. Coming. One, two, 5, 6. Good morning. Good morning. 4, 5. 1, 2, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Minus 10 degree and also snowstorm. What a day, what a day, what a day. Good morning. Kilometer 4. Average pace 5 minutes 29. Woo-hoo! He's running, he's running. Woo-hoo! Can you hear the sound? Kilometer 5. 3 more kilometers to go. Good morning.
Morning.
Have a wonderful day. Why am I running in the middle of a snowstorm? Minus 10 degrees. Cause I love it. I love it. Woohoo! What a beautiful day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kilometer 6. Good morning. Okay, turning point. Slowly turn today. Slowly. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, let's go, let's go. Nobody out here. Just me and snow and my breath. Let's go. Okay, kilometer 10. Let's go. 300 meters left. Let's go. Look at the snow again. I am tired. Wow, done for the day. Stay warm, everybody. See you tomorrow.